What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe and I'm here with Brice yeah, he already started working on the Tesla Model 3 Performance, and today we're actually going to do an install of a new part that he bought. It's actually going to be a carbon fiber lip that drastically will transform the car, in his words. I actually haven't seen it, so I can't really agree with him. In the case of my Camaro, adding a lip definitely changed the look of the car. It's like adding facial hair to like a baby face. It just definitely is gonna change the car up. He already had some carbon fiber winglets on it. Looks really, really cool. So the first thing that we're gonna do is find a good point to start jacking the car, because you will have to get underneath it. Brice, where did you find the best place to
like right
lift
here in
it?
the front. Why should race right now? Like,
well, that would suck. Are you worried?
yeah.
Yo, you gotta fix that wheel gap, dude. Honestly, like.
Dude, that's like SUV right there.
This is Model X.
Model X.
So really what we're gonna want to do is pretty much drill underneath here, all this area, to attach the lip. If you guys haven't seen the full review that we did with this car, go ahead and click the card above or link in the description below. So now we're actually gonna start unboxing the lip. I'm gonna see for the first time. Oof, damn.
I can't wait to put it on, bro. It's been like 2 weeks that I've been trying to put it on.
Oof.
Okay.
So that is the passenger driver's side winglet. Damn, dude.
Wait. Let's do a test fit.
Let's do a little mustache. Oh my, dude.
Did the change.
Dude.
Like,
look
damn.
at that. The aggression.
God damn.
Put that on top of it. Lay it down and put it on top of that so it doesn't scratch. From the factory, this thing is pretty lifted up. I mean, you might not scratch that, I think.
Dude, that looks so good.
Yeah. He's speechless. He's like, what are you saying, dude? Shut up. Let me appreciate it.
$50, guys. Like, that's insane.
50 bucks. Okay, so he's gonna give me the link. So we're gonna put that in the description so you guys can definitely take a look at that. So this kit does come with some screws. Very friendly of them. And where is this from?
eBay. China. China.
Man, thank you, China. The carbon fiber finish, like the paint is really, really nice and glossy.
The only thing, it doesn't match up. You see, like the pattern is like this here and here it's like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you pay, you get quality.
Yeah. This is making bean quality. All right, let's get started. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take these little nuts right here.
Get the little one, not the big one.
Yeah, the little ones.
Oh.
You're gonna get these little ones and you're gonna drill it like this. It's a little flimsy, but that's okay. Once we bolt it onto the bottom of the bumper, we should see a little bit of stiffness. Oh, dude, that's gonna look sick. Okay, so let's get started with the next step. So we definitely recommend that you do this with 2 people. That way somebody holds it in place. Now the first one is gonna go on the side over here, just to kind of like hold it in place. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm so excited for you.
Right here. Okay, hold it both of these.
Alright. So this is how it'll look like. Damn. The difference. Dude, it's so nice, dude. Now we're gonna start putting the rest of the nuts inside so it's a lot sturdier. And that's exactly what you want. Sturdy, stiff, delicious. So now we're gonna move towards the middle. So there's gonna be 2 in each fin actually. So you wanna make sure that you have somebody holding it in place. That way when they drill up, it stays. You gotta make sure that yours matches with the car, because if it doesn't, it may not work. Formula One, hire me.
There you go.
Hey, do you check, man?
How do I have so many bugs? It's because the front bumper is so flat.
Oh yeah, so just like, okay, yeah, that's you're gonna need to like eventually use it.
A real car wash.
Yeah, with soap or something. I'm obviously not gonna be able to take out all the little dried bodies that you have in there, you murderer. There you go.
Excuse me, sir. There's quite a bug here. Final walls looks amazing. Took what, 15 minutes to put on, and changed the whole look of the car.
So the actual tools to get this thing installed is more expensive than the actual lip. That's unheard of. It looks awesome. Here's some light. You can see the carbon fiber weave. It's perfect, man. It came out great. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. And as you guys can see, the clearance is actually pretty good. I see what you mean though. It does have a little bit of a difference in the weave, yeah. But you know, it is what it is. It's not terribly like noticeable. All right guys, so that pretty much concludes this video. I hope you guys found it informative and entertaining. Definitely a really good mod. I mean, it changed the car completely. So if you found this video informative and entertaining, go ahead and like this video. It helps out with the algorithm. That way other people that own Teslas maybe might have a video of a reference if they decide to buy this kit in particular. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. It's 2021. The goal for this year is 5,000 subscribers. So go ahead and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And check out the Model 3 review and all the other Model 3 videos that we have of this car in particular. And guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think of it? Do you like the kit? What would you do differently? Let me know in the comment section below. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.